Hi everyone, Bronwyn Gresham here from Compassionate Nature. I have a video for you now on meeting your needs for self-care to make sure that when you do take care of yourself that it's the most effective as it can be. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Have you ever felt unsure or uncertain about what you need when you're faced with a really difficult situation? It is so normal because when we're stressed, we get so overwhelmed. It can be really difficult to listen to our intuition and to know how to respond. Tuning into our needs is kind of like driving across the countryside when we lose our radio station. We begin to tune in, but at first there's a lot of static and it's really difficult to make sense of the lyrics and the words. But as we persist and become more fine-tuned, we come across a very clear radio station. And so this skill is really very basic. It involves asking two key questions. When you're faced with a difficult moment, how am I feeling? Actually acknowledging, oh my gosh, I'm feeling overwhelmed, or I'm feeling inadequate, or I'm feeling misunderstood. And then thinking about what is it that I need in this moment. So sometimes that might be really clear and quick and easy. You might have an instant gut reaction about what you need. But other times it's going to be like tuning into that radio station. It's going to be pretty unclear. And so it can often help to just take some time to pause. If you can, close your eyes and to just breathe in. What is it that I need in this moment? And when you breathe out, waiting for the answer. Letting go of needing to know straight away, which I know can be really difficult, particularly if you're having a tough time. But just letting go of that expectation that an answer will appear. It's kind of like when we've got the name of the word on the tip of our tongue. The more we try searching for it, the more it's just lost in our memory. And then as soon as we let it go, we remember it. So let's talk about the difference between needs and wants. Wants are very personal. They're kind of from the neck up. They're things that aren't essential to our overall health and well-being and flourishing. Needs, on the other hand, are more universal. They come from this area around our heart. Needs like food, shelter, water, safety, but also psychological needs like love, understanding, and appreciation. So discovering what you need will depend on what you're feeling at the time. So I'll give you some examples of how this could vary. You may need your body and mind to be activated and energized, or you may need it to be soothed and calmed. You may need to feel connected when in solitude or around others. Or you may need to work on accepting the situation or changing the situation. So having a sense of those three levels of dimensions can also help in trying to discover what it is we need in any difficult situation. The important thing to remember here is that tending to our needs will increase the likelihood of self-care actually being effective. And it's a continuous process. And the more we tune in, the more like second nature it becomes. So thanks for tuning in and listening to this skill. I hope you've found it to be some food for thought, and I really welcome any feedback that you have. Till next time, take care of yourselves.